N8N LinkedIn automation. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, go to the N8N website. Once you're on the homepage, click Sign In on the top right to log in. After logging in, click Start from Scratch to begin your project. In the workflow editor, click the plus icon in the center. From the trigger menu, select On Form Submission. Here, configure your authentication, add a form title and a description. You can now start adding form elements like field name, choose the element type, and set placeholder text. Next, click the plus icon beside the form node and search for AI agent. Set the source for prompt, and below that, click Chat Model. Select OpenAI, set the credential to connect your account, and choose your preferred AI model. Now, add a code tool node if needed for custom logic. Then, click the plus icon again and search for LinkedIn. Connect your LinkedIn credential. Select operation like resource, post, add text, and select media category, such as article or image. Click Execute Workflow to run it.